The iPhone 18 Pro leaks and rumors are getting more and more exciting. This time we have some additional information about the design, colors, and camera features. Starting off with the release date, Apple is changing its usual release cycle. From 2026, we will not be seeing the regular iPhone 18 launching in September. Instead, it will be pushed to March 2027. We will see 3 iPhone models by next September, which are the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the iPhone Fold, or Ultra, whatever Apple decides to call it. Keeping the iPhone Fold aside, let's take a look at the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. The screen size is going to remain about the same, and the back design is also not going to change much. We will get a few new color options, although those new colors are still not finalized yet. The front, however, is going to see a massive change this year, and after 4 years, the dynamic island is finally going away. Yes, we are getting a punch hole cutout display this year. Most of the rumors suggest that this punch hole will be on the left side of the display and it will sit alongside other notification icons. Face ID will be moved under the screen. Yes, we finally have technology that can transmit infrared waves directly through the display, which means there is no longer a need for a dedicated cutout for Face ID. However, keep in mind that this punch hole design is only expected to last for about 1 year. After that, in 2027, Apple is preparing for the 20th anniversary iPhone, which is expected to be an all-display device. The camera will also be moved under the display at that point. Because of this, the iPhone 18 Pro might end up being the only iPhone with a punch hole cutout display. The regular iPhone 18 will be announced later, in March 2027. This model will not have a punch hole display. Instead, it will continue to use the dynamic island, similar to the iPhone 17. Apple is bringing this change to its usual iPhone release cycle in order to capture even more market share. By releasing iPhones twice a year, the hype and marketing from Apple will likely push more users toward upgrading their devices more frequently. Additionally, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to be slightly thicker, thanks to a larger battery and additional connectivity options. For example, it is being reported that the iPhone 18 Pro will offer satellite internet connectivity made possible through low Earth orbit satellites. Right now, users can only send emergency messages using satellite connectivity on iPhones, but this is expected to change in the future. When it comes to the camera, there is not much reliable information available yet. However, it appears that the rear camera setup will remain similar to the current generation iPhone 17 Pro, with only the main wide sensor receiving an upgrade next year. This new sensor is rumored to feature a variable aperture lens. This would allow for more flexibility when shooting in low light, as well as greater control over depth of field. So, these are some of the major changes and features that are expected with the next Pro iPhone from Apple. What are your thoughts on that punch hole display? Let me know in the comments, and with that said, I will catch you in the next one.